Hello. Guys, I hope that you have seen my last lecture on loops where I taught you all series, okay, how to understand series and how to solve those problems, okay. Today we learned something more on for loop, okay. What are the keywords you can apply like break, continue, and then we have how to use else in a for loop. All this we'll understand, okay. So this is what we have seen in a for. Okay, we said for I in range of 1 to 10. If I say here right now in this case print I, I'm going to say here in this case print I, and I'm going to say here print hello. Right. If I write like this, what will happen? It will print for me 1 hello, right? Then we'll have a 2 hello. Then we'll have till what? 9 hello will get. Okay. Now what I wanted right now in this case is if I put here in this place a break, what happens? Once you put a break, what the break will do? It will take the control outside the loop. That means when I is 1, it'll print the 1. After that, what will happen? Break. It'll take the control where? Outside of the loop. Only 1 is printed for. No, I'm going to add a condition here. What is a condition? I'm going to add this condition here. I put here right now in this case, I'm going to add a condition if. I'm going to add here if I is equal to 3, then break. You know, the break is slightly inside, remember? Okay. The if break is part of the if right now. See, the break is a keyword which can be applied only inside a loop. Sir, can I applied inside a if? No. I'm not applying inside a if. I am applying inside a loop, but that will be executed when the if is I is 3. Okay. Therefore, break cannot be put inside a if. If you are putting the break inside a if, the if must be inside a loop. Remember that. Only break can capable of breaking the loops. Which are the loops you are going to study? For, while. These are the loops we have. Let's say in this case I is 1. It prints a 1. After printing 1, I is 3, false. It prints what? Hello. Then next is I became 2. It prints 2. 2 is equal to 3, false. It prints what? Hello. I became 3. It prints 3. 3 is equal to 3. Condition is true. Break. Break will take the control where? Outside. Okay. Break will take the control where? Outside will take the control. Got it? Yeah. Okay. So now, in the place of break, if I were to put here in this place continue, what would happen? Continue. What would happen? It'll print 1. Hello. I is equal to 3. False. It prints 2. Hello. Then I became 3. It prints a 3. 3 is equal to 3. Condition is true. Continue will take you to the update. That means what the continue will do? The break will skip the following statement, takes the control outside. Continue will skip the following statement and takes you to updation again. I became 4. It will print 4. Then what I'll have what? Hello. Then I'll have a I is 5. 5. 5 is equal to 3 false. I'll print the hello. Then I became 6. I will have a 6 and hello. 7 and hello. 8 and hello. Then I'll have a 9. 9 is equal to 3 false. I'll print hello. Then 10. 10 means I'll come out of it. That means what is the purpose of continue? Continue will skip the following statements and takes your updation. Same, like continue also can be put only in the loop. You can't be put inside a if. If you are putting inside a if, the if must be inside a loop. Now, the for can also have an else. See, it's not I'm putting the else for if. I'm putting the else for. So when the else will be executed? When the else will be executed is, let's say in this case I'm writing print by. When the else will be executed is when this condition fails. If you complete the loop and come out, it will execute the else. Complete the loop. Remember that. When I, it prints I for you, 1 for you. 1 is equal to 3. False. It will print the hello. It will print now. It became 9. Hello. Then it became 10. If 10 means condition is false, it will come out and print what? By for. What about if I put a break here? What will happen? Break, if I put it, what will happen is when I is 1, yeah, it printed 1 hello. When I is 2, it printed 2 hello. When I is 3, it printed 3. 3 is equal to 3. Condition is true. Break takes the control where? Outside. It will not come to the else. That means else will not be executed. Else will be executed only if you complete the loop, if the condition is false and comes out. If you break in between, it's not going to come out. You have to complete the loop. Okay? Yeah. Let's solve the problem and then using this concept, let's solve a problem. Yeah. Let's, in this case, I want to find out whether a given number is a prime number. Given number is a prime number. What is a prime number? Okay. Let's say in this case is 1, 2, 3. I want to find out whether 7 is a prime number or not. What is a prime number? A prime number is a number that divisible by 1 and itself. That means it is guaranteed the number will be divisible by 1 and itself. Every number will be divisible by 1 and itself. So if any other number divides, it is not a prime number. Any other number that divides is not a prime number. Let's see in this case, that means in this example, from 2, if anybody divides a 7, then 7 is not a prime. Okay. But if we know very well, 7 itself will be divided, 7 is going to be divided by itself. Remember that, okay? That means I need to divide from 2 to what? 6. That means if you want to find n is a prime number, you need to start dividing the number from n till n minus 1 you need to divide. Yeah, okay? Got it? Okay, let's see. Now I am going to find out how to write a program. So if I first is what I'll do, I'll divide 7 by 2. It is not dividing. How do I divide divisible or not? The remainder must be 0, right? Now 7 modulus 2 is how much it is what? Is 1. It is not divisible. 7 modulus 3 is 1. It is not divisible. 7 modulus 4, no. 7 modulus 5 is what? 2 is not divisible. 7 modulus 6 is what? Now I reach the number. It is a prime number. Whereas if I write it in this case 9, what will happen? 9 modulus 2 is 1, false. But 9 modulus 3 is what? 0. Once somebody divides, it is not a prime. It is not a prime. Therefore, now, while I am dividing, while I am going through, if somebody divides it, that I don't need to call as a prime number. Okay, let's see in this case how to convert into a program. So, I have a number. So, n is 7. I take 7. What we said? I need to start dividing from 2 to what? 2 to the number. 2 comma, because when you put n, n is not inclusive, remember that, okay? If anyone divides it, n mod I is equal to 0, it is not a prime. Directly you can say it is not a prime. Print not a prime. Correct? It's not a prime. Once it is not a prime, I don't need to go and divide with the rest of the numbers. Once 9 modulus 3 is 0, do I need to go and divide with 4? No need. Therefore, what I am going to do, I am going to directly put here break. Yeah. Now, okay, what happens if I don't divide it? If nobody is dividing it, if nobody is dividing, you are automatically going to come out. How? This condition is going to become false. Why? Because when n modulus, if I put 7, 7 modulus 2 is false, 7 modulus 3 is false, 7 modulus 4 is false, 7 modulus 5 is false, 7 modulus 6 is false, then I became 7 is going to come out. If you naturally come out means you are going to execute the else part. Correct now? Else of the for print, I am going to say n is a prime. Correct? I'm going to run the code. 7 is a prime. Got it? 7 is a prime. Now, if I put here now 9, it's going to say 9 is not a prime. 9 is not a prime. Right now, 9 is not a prime. Yeah. If you want to take any number, I can say in this cases, I can say in these places, I can input a number. Correct? I want to say here run. I want to run the number. I put here right now 8. 8 is not a prime. If I put 11, it is a prime. Got it? Yeah. Okay, sir. Now I want to print all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. I want to print all the prime numbers from 1 to what? 100. Correct? What does this code does? This code checks whether the given number is a prime or not. You need to check, you need to give right now 100 numbers. First time my n would be 1, then 2, 3. 1 is not a prime anywhere. It starts from 2, 3, 4, till where I need to go, till what? 100 I need to give, right? That means the input needs to be given 100 times for the same code. This code verifies and tells me whether the given number is prime or not a prime. That means this set of statement needs to be repeated for how many times? 100 times. Therefore, what do you do? Simple it is. You want to repeat this 100 times. Correct? Now, put in a loop. I will put in a loop for n in range of, what I should write, what, 2 to what? What I should do? This statements, all this statement needs to be repeated. That's what you do. Put in the loop. See, this else is part of this for. Okay, done. But what is going to happen for me right now? It's going to print is a prime, not a prime, prime, not a prime. No, I want to print only the prime numbers, right? Only the prime numbers. What to do? The comment of this. I don't want this. Rest all is fine. Yeah, got it? Okay. So this is a, why do we use a loop? To repeat a statement. What is the statement I need to repeat? This is a statement because everything is a statement. This statement needs to be repeated how many times? 100 times. Okay. Yeah, I go run. Code. Yeah. We have put inside a loop inside a loop right now. This is called nested loop. So a loop inside a loop is called as what? A nested loop. Okay. So when I nested the loop, I got a statement. I want to execute the statement what? Again and again. Therefore, I put a loop here right now. There's a statement. This statement needs to be executed again and again. Therefore, I put a loop. But this statement, for loop is also a statement. This statement needs to be executed again and again. Therefore, I put another loop inside. Okay. Yeah. Therefore, first we need to identify what is the statement needs to be repeated and how many time it needs to be repeated. Okay. How many time it needs to be what? Repeated. Remember that? That's the reason we use a loop. Okay. Let's understand a problem. So let's see here right now. Here I want to see right now in these places. I want to print like what I want to print now. I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what to do? Put a loop for I in range of 1 to 6 and print what? No, I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 times. What to do? Another loop for j in range of 1 to 5. 1 to 6 because this statement needs to be executed 5 times. Let's say I want to put 7 times. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I put what? Right? Okay. Written here. Yeah, got it. So, but I want to print like this. So if you want, we'll see first. Okay, so I want to print 1 to 5. If I put 1 to 6, I put right now. So what I need to do? Should I print what? I don't want the next line, right? I want the same line. Therefore, I put end is equal to base. Is a default argument. I can put 1. I want to print right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So what to do? For j in range of, okay, let's just see 7 times. 1 to 8, right? But this statement needs to be repeated. Therefore, I put a tab. Oh, but all are coming on the same line. Why? Because after printing every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I need to go to the next line. How many times I should go to the next line? 7 times. That means 7 times we want to go to the next line. Where I should put the print what? Inside the outer loop I put. Print. Got it? Yeah? No, sir. I want the output to go. I don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want first line 1, second line 1, 2, third line 1, 2, 3, fourth line 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that means first line I'm here. In these places we have 5 columns are there. Why there are 5 columns are there? Because my inner loop is running 5 times. 7 rows are there because my outer loop is running how many times? 7 times. Okay. Inner loop is running 5 times, outer loop is running what? 7. Therefore, here in this case is what I need to do. Sir, in the first time you want 1, second time I want 1, 2, third time 1, 2, 3. So you want to have 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now see here what I need to do. How many lines are there? 5 lines. That means 5 lines are there, correct? That means my outer loop is going to run how many times? 5 times. Why? Because 5 rows are there. The first row has 1 column, second row has 2 column, third row has 3 column, fourth row has 4 column. Therefore, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, correct? And therefore what I'm going to do? Simple thing. Totally, I have 5 rows, correct now? Outer loop is running. The first row has 1 column. That means the first row should run what? Only once. Second row when I come twice. The fourth. Who is going to give me 1, 2, j plus 1? Why? J is first time 1, second time 2, third time 3, right? Got it? Yeah? No, sir. I wanted to go like this. I want the output to go. Like this. What is that? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm going to do? Here I have 4 columns, 4 spaces are there. Before printing the 1, I need to print what? 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1 space, 0 space. That means if number of lines are 5, 5 minus 1 space, 5 minus 2 space, 5 minus 3 space, 5 minus 4 space, 5 minus 5 space. If I have n rows are there, n minus 1. Correct now? Yeah. How do I do? I am going to make a simple thing. Before printing this one, I need to print what? Let's assume here n is a number of input. Okay, now let's say n. Therefore, here what will write? N plus 1 rows. Correct now? What you do in this place is I need to print how many space? N minus I space. N minus I space needs to be printed. I will print. But that condition here end is equal to put. Why? Otherwise, what will happen after printing this space? It will give a new line. It will go to the next line. It will go. Okay. Put number of lines 7. I got 7. Oh, something's wrong. End is equal to what? Multiplied by space. I did. Ah, sorry. N minus j. J is a row number. Okay. J 7. Put 7. Got it? Yeah. So j is my row number. Okay, if you want, instead of this I can put a row. If instead of this I can write what? N minus row number. And here, got it? Yeah. Now we are going to complex the loop. Okay, a little more. Okay. Now let's see here in this cases. I have like this right now. Okay, this is what I got the output. I want a different output. I want this output to go like this. I want to go 1. Okay. Then what I wanted? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is what I want. What I have right now here is, this is what I have. Already I have this, okay. What I need to add here is 1 I need to add, 2, 1 I need to add, 3 to 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 I need to add. That means I need to add 1 less. Correct? 1 what? Less I need to add. See here, if it's 2 means starts with 1, 3 means starts with 2, 4 means starts with 3, 5 means starts with what? 4. It starts 1 less, the other part goes up to what? 1 it correct? Goes up to what? 1. The 4. Totally I have 5 rows only. But in the first 5 rows, the first is space, second is the increment, second is a decrement. Okay. So I am going to manipulate here itself. Before I go to the next row, this is by saying the print, I'm going to the next row. For the second part, I in range of, from where it starts with what? 1 less than what the row number, right? Row minus 1 till where it went? Till 1. Let me put 0 because exclusive, right? But it was decreasing, right? Therefore I say print I, and I don't want to go to the next line. Enter is equal to what? Space. That's it. I have done. Enter 7. Yeah. Got it? Let's analyze another problem. Okay. I want the output to go like this. What is the output? Is what I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It goes like this. Okay. After 9, it becomes 0. How many rows are there? 5 rows are there. That means the outer loop will run how many times? 5 times. But what is happening? Each row has how many columns? First row has 1 column, second row has 2 columns, third row has 3 columns. But only thing is the numbers are in the increasing. It starts from the beginning and keeps on going, right? That's what you do. A simple solution to it. Same, right? But only thing is what was happening what in this case is, my column is how many columns are there? For I in range of What to do? 1 to what? Row plus 1. Same. But what was getting printed? The printing was, it keeps on was increasing. It is not printing the I, because I will start every time will start with 1, right? 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, right? I don't want, I want to keep on increasing. Therefore, you do. If you want to keep on increasing, the variable should be initialized to what? Only once. I print x. But if I print x, what will happen? Every time we will print 1. So I don't want, I want 1 to 3. So what to do? X is equal to x plus 1. But then the challenge is coming. What is the challenge is coming? I put what right now? 5. I got the output. What is happening here in this case? After 9, I don't have a 0, but it becomes what? 10, 11, 12, 13. I got what? The output what I was? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 was again, right? What to do? 9, after 9, I don't want 10, I want 0. 11 needs to be converted to 1. 12 needs to be converted to 2. Okay, simple thing. How to do? Put what? The modulus 10. I need to put what? Modulus 10, because 9 modulus 10 is what? 9. 10 modulus 10 is what? 0. 11 modulus 10 is what? 1. I put it right now. I got this output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Got it? Yeah? That's cool. Any question? All of you followed? Okay. Yeah. Done. Yeah. Okay. So let's analyze another problem. See what I need to do. See here. We had what? If I write right now I here. Sorry. So I print the I. So if I enter 5, it's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for me, what you need to 1, next line 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. So the numbers were increasing. If you want to keep on increasing, I can't reinitialize every time. If I put it inside the loop, it will be initialized again and again. Therefore, I am declaring a variable outside. I'm going to initialize to 1 and I'm going to put x. But the x should be increased by 1. Therefore, I will increase x is equal to what? X plus 1. I put it right now. Increased every time. I put 5, I got it. Then I want to say here in this case, I want to say here modulus 10. Why modulus 10? Because 10 modulus 10 is 0, 11 modulus 10 is 1, 12 modulus 10 is 2. Like this. I put it right now 5, I got this out. Yeah? Got it? Let us solve one more problem, okay? So I want to make like this. That's what I want to do, okay? So if you look at this, see, there are 5 rows. If there are 5 rows means my outer loop will run how many times? 5 times, okay? How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns are there. The only thing is, in the first row, what we have, in the first row, 1 character and 8 spaces. Then we have a 6 spaces, 4 space, 3 space, 4 space, 2 space, no space. Space. In the first row 1, second row 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is A? A is nothing but 1 only. If I have 1, I can convert it to A. How? By adding 64 to it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a code for 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. See here also 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Same thing I'm going to do. But then I will add what 64 to it. I'm going to get the characters. Okay. So let's see here how to solve this problem. So now what I'm going to do? Same thing I'm going to do. Okay. Row number. The first row has what? A. Then 8 spaces. Right now. 1 and what? 8 spaces. I don't need to. 8 spaces I need to do. How to put 8 spaces? Print 8. 8 is nothing but n is what? 5 means total number of columns were 10. That means n minus I, or you can say here 2n will give you 10. Correct? Minus 2i. Why minus 2i? Because both the sides we had what? I number of characters. That much space is needed for me. That much space is needed. How to write that much spaces? Multiply by space. Correct? N is equal to nothing means what? I'm not going to the next line. I'm putting nothing. Then Again, I'm going to start the second part. If you look at this first row, we had A, then 8 space, then A we had. Right now, in this next row, AB, 6 space, and what? AB. So, how to do that? The second part I'm going to do for I in what? Range of AB. Second row AB, BA. That means starts with row, comma 0, minus 1 till minus 1. What I'm going to do, same thing. I'm going to say here print I comma end is equal to what? Okay. Oh, the indentation is wrong. Indentation should be here. Okay, another number of rows. I put 5. I got what I got here 1, 1, 2, 3. But in the place of 1, I want what? A. Correct now. Simply add. Add what? 64 and convert into character. Same. Add 64 and convert into what? Character. That's it. I'm going to do 5. Done it. Yeah. Got it? Okay.